This is the Schrade SCHF-36 Full Tang Fixed Blade Survival Knife, brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop point blade produced from 1/4-inch thick 1095 high carbon steel. The all-black SCHF-36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF-36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF-36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected.
With the success of the fixed blade 863 Selkirk, Buck Knives introduces the 836 folding Selkirk. The 836 has many of the same features but conveniently folds for easier transport. 3 9/10 inch 420 HC stainless steel drop point folding blade. Designed for many uses, the drop point blade is full-bellied with a strong, thick point for heavier tasks. The curve of the blade helps prevent accidental puncturing when working heavily with this knife. Liner lock, 150 thousandths inch thick, closed length 5 inches. Thumb stud for easy one-handed opening. Steel front bolster with black-brown micarta handle. Injection molded nylon sheath that can be mounted horizontal and vertical carry. 2 1/4 inch ferrocerium striker with integrated whistle in the handle. Simply strike the ferrocerium rod in this blade notch to get a spark. With Buck's famous forever warranty.
The Buck Knives 112 Slim Select is a colorful everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This take on the 112 Ranger has recognizable features, but with an updated and modern look. The decreased weight, slim profile, and deep carry pocket clip makes this knife suitable for everyday carry. Measuring 3 inches, the 420 HC stainless steel clip point blade has a tumbled finish, an easy one-handed opening thumb stud, and locks back for safety. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 112 Ranger have been replaced with a glass-filled nylon handle to assure the rigidity and quality you expect from Buck. It's available in 4 colors: black, blue, red, and chartreuse, and weighs only 2.5 ounces. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 112 Slim Select. Buck Knives is known for quality, American-made quality. Keeping up with this tradition is the 840 Sprint Select. Made with an ergonomically textured nylon handle and a 420 HC stainless steel blade, this knife exudes a cool that you'll want to carry with you every day. Utilizing ball-bearing flipper technology, the action is fast and smooth as butter and locks securely with a liner lock. Added features like a contrasting color spacer and a removable deep carry pocket clip make this knife a true conversation starter. Just be careful not to loan it to a buddy, or you might not ever get it back. The 840 Sprint Select is available in 3 color combinations to suit your personal style: olive green with a yellow spacer, gray with blue spacer, and black with a red spacer. At only 3.2 ounces, it's so light you might just forget that it's in your pocket.
This is the Schrade SCHF-28 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife with an overall length of just over 14 inches. There's no job too big for the SCHF-28. This titanium-coated Titan features a drop point, recurve blade, forged from super tough, edge-holding 8CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel. Weighing in at a well-balanced 20.8 ounces, the SCHF 28 arrives seriously sharp and with the unrivaled strength of a full tang. With an appetite for chopping, the recurve design allows the blade's belly to penetrate deep into even the hardiest of hardwoods. Use the finger choil in conjunction with the jimping along the spine of the blade for controlled carving, such as making feather sticks to light a campfire. The textured, all-weather TPE handle slabs are well suited for the robust grip of the avid outdoorsman, with finger guard and hole promoting comfortable and safe all-day chopping. The handle offers a lanyard hole for attaching cordage. The SCHF 28 rides in a durable, multi-carry option thermoplastic belt sheath with grommet holes that allow essential gear, such as ferro rods, to be easily attached. A recurve drop-point chopper ready to take on anything the backcountry cares to serve up, made from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF 28 full tang fixed blade knife.